One of the coolest ratchet ever. It's this one from Snap-on. TH.
I'm gonna light up my cigarette. Hold on, man.
I will never understand. 72MP. So what it is an indexing ratchet. And a lot of people really don't understand how to use it. But I got a few clips that show this thing in action. And I'll show you why it's my most used ratchet. This is one of those tools like when I came to the shop with my Nippex shortly after, everyone else had Nippex because they just work so well. Same thing with this one. I ordered one, and about 3 weeks later, everybody in the shop ordered one. So
except for me.
These are pretty awesome. And except for him, because he just borrows everyone else's. Let's see, I was holding that other one, but for the sake of the video, I cannot. Let's see if we get an action shot for you right here. This thing is awesome. I usually would have like a gearless ratchet in there fighting everything, but now I can just get out here and get on stuff. That's it. So what do you think? How come I'm not using an electric ratchet right now?
Because you spent too much money on that tool.
What is this? What's another reason possibly I'm not using an electric ratchet on this? Because it's fuel bladders.
Nah.
And I don't want to die today.
I mean, just because you're scared.
I'm gonna light up my cigarette. Hold on, man.
I will never understand people messing with avgas with electric tools. It blows up, y'all.
They're just not scared.
I guess so. That's good. Nothing happened. You get it on the bolt. I was on the washer on my Nippex side. Boom. Success. So you haven't spent anything. Why did you buy that tool?
Well, the real answer is because I saw you had it. But also, like, because it's the only version of a 1/4 inch swivel head ratcheting ratchet. Like, you have, I don't know what brand the other one is you have, it the 3/8.
Yeah, it's 3/8. It's Pittsburgh. It's Harbor Freight.
Okay,
Harbor Frigate.
But they don't make them in 1/4 inch, and we barely use anything but 1/4 inch, and it's just the most useful tool for when you can't use electric tools.
Yeah, how many people in the shop have them now? Like 6? I got one, and then everybody got one. This is the most used tool that I have right now, besides Nippex. And I also need y'all's help with this particular one. I can't find a 1/4 inch drive indexing ratchet that's made by any company other than Snap-on. So if there's a beginner out there who wants to get one, I wouldn't start with Snap-on, but I do want them to have an option. Basically what this does for you is it kind of doubles as a smaller speed handle that can get into really tight places. And also, if you do happen to go for the Snap-on, it doubles as a long ratchet. And the teeth count on this is 80, but it also has very little back drag.